Good day, students. Advocate Babasaheb Bhunde High School in Avla has come up with a new video. Myself, Mrs. Naira Sheikh, your English 1 teacher, has brought you this video. Our today's topic is Be a Writer. Students, I'm very sure that you all love writing stories, like imaginary ones especially. Today, we are going to be acting one of this sort of a story. Remember, the story will be written by you. All I will do is give you ideas and help you be more innovative. Students, you can see a picture shown here of the activity Be a Writer too. The story before and after. As you can see in this image, there are a few animals shown, correct? Now we are going to frame a story based on the points given to us. Look at the picture carefully. What does it show? Are the animals holding a meeting? What could be the reason? Try to imagine what must have happened before and what is likely to happen later. Form groups. Now this formation of group students was possible if you were in class. But since we are not, you have to be writing the story by yourself. See that you are very imaginative. Discuss your ideas. Then each of you should write this story separately. You may give the animals names and describe their qualities in short. Use conversation in your story. So you can see animals given your students in the image. So what if we name the story as Strong and Weak, as there are many animals shown here who are strong while some are not. So basically, the scene in the jungle is the survival for the fittest. I'll share my part of the story with you. The story's heading is The Strong and the Weak. It was a meeting of all the smaller and the weaker animals of the forest. Now here we can see many animals, the strong ones as well as the weak ones of the forest have held for a meeting. Bunny, the rabbit, and Bushy, the squirrel, had called for the meeting. So the meeting is called by these two, the rabbit and the squirrel. That means they are the host of the meeting. They had a complaint. Now what their complaint was? Their complaint was that they had been troubled by all the bigger animals like the deers, the bears, the elephants, the lions, the sheep, as wild as a wild boar. This complaint was arised by Bunny, the rabbit. And he says that there should be something that has to be done about it. The monkey, who was holding onto a branch of this tree, nodded his head vigorously, "That's very fast," and said, "He agrees. We must call someone wise to help us." Then, later students, you can imagine what would have happened in the meeting? Who will be the head of the meeting? Yes, the lion, the king of the jungle. He was the head of all the animals in the jungle. He also called out for the strong animals like the cheetah, the leopard, the elephant, the tiger, the lion, the bear, etc., etc. Now, what do you think would have happened, students, in the meeting? Think about it. Frame your own story, and you can also let us know as to what different stories you all have made. This is your activity for today. Our second part, look at the picture carefully. What are these people? Where are they going? What are they carrying? Why? Try to answer these questions using your imagination. Now look at them, students. They look as though they are entire family who are going somewhere out, maybe for a picnic, and along with them they carried a ladder, a rope, a paintbrush, paint, and also a lot of eatables along with them. So, where do you think are they going? Who are they? What is the reason for their travel? Once again, you have to be framing a story, keeping these characters' names and qualities. Let's name this family the Jolly family. The Jolly family had finally found a house in a lovely green forest. So they had located a house somewhere. But oh my, the house was in a bad condition. That means it required a good maintenance. It had to be reconstructed for a detail. Let us fix the house and then live in it, said Jack. So he said, the house is not in a good condition. Let's first build the house properly, fix it properly, and then go and live in the house. Once we have a place to live, we will have no problems. The other four brothers nodded, yippee, and their dog nodded too. So, all of them, as you see in the image here, are going to build their house. So, this is a short story, students, according to us that I have made. Now, it's your turn. Now, you will frame a story using these points, and you will also imagine what the entire story could be like. And do not forget to write them in your English 1 notebook. This is an activity. Notes for this lesson won't be given, students, as this lesson is an activity based lesson. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. I would request everyone to kindly subscribe to our channel to avail the further notifications of our upcoming videos. Thank you and have a nice day.